calculate without calculators. 2 raised to power 18 minus 1 is equal to what? In this class, we want to solve this math problem quickly. 2 raised to power 18 minus 1 without using calculator. 2 raised to power 18 minus 1 is equal to what? 2 raised to power 18 is same thing as 2 raised to power 9 raised to power 2 minus 1. A raised to power n raised to power m is equal to a raised to power nm. Then if you multiply 9 times 2, it's going to give you this 18 back. 2 raised to power 9 square minus, this is 1, is same thing as 1 square. This is different of 2 square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. 2 raised to power 9 minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 9 plus 1. 2 raised to power 9 is 512. This is 512 minus 1 multiplied by 512 plus 1. 512 minus 1 is 511 multiplied by 512 plus 1 is 513. Now this is the same thing as, let's see, 513 is 500 plus 13 multiplied by 511 is 500 plus 11. This is same thing as 500 multiplied by 500 plus 500 into 13 plus 11 plus 13 multiplied by 11. Now 500 times 500, this is 250,000 plus, this is, if you open this bracket, we have 12,000 plus 143. Let's add everything together. Now we have 250,000 plus 12,000 plus 143. Let's add everything together. This is 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 2. So our final answer is 2 raised to power 18 minus 1 without using calculator is equal to 262143. That is our final answer.